Yes, tornadoes too. And I have bought the tornado panther. Look, panther. It's the second best car in the game. Look, bro. Look inside it. You can see. And here's his sensitive. Storm River. Servins. Now Servins. Storm River.
I got the Storm River, bro.
Look.
What's your head?
Cartoon, what's your head? What's your...
Mom.
Nah.
Okay, but the tornado, bro. No tornado? Why no tornado? Why we not start with tornado, bro? I want the tornado, bro.
You sensitive. You.
Sensitive.
No, Servins. You Servins.
Dude.
My name is Sensitive and this is Servins. I just forget that my name is Sensitive.
I'm at the sewer.
Okay.
Come and meet me, bro.
Oh no! My car! Boom, Gus.
Boom. Boom.
No tack.
What do you want, bro? Bro, I see the tornado, bro.
Where's the tornado?
Nowhere. Up in your mouth, bro. Because you rope something.
Up in your ass. Up in your Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
I say wallahi, bro. I did not swear, bro. I said in your mouth, bro. That's your mouth, bro. Not the other word like you said in the first recording, bro.
What I am saying, big blåbär. It's...
No, you said big.
No.
Blåbär.
I said big fruit. It's
no.
Fruit. Yes.
I know what I hear.
I know also what I am saying.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
And you are saying up in your...
It's up in your mouth, bro.
You said up in your...
No, I did not say that, bro.
I know what I
know what I'm saying, bro.
Stop the cap.
Yes, I know what I'm saying, bro.
I know also what I'm saying.
I know what I'm saying, bro.
I know also what I'm saying. Clap. Clap.
What you doing, bro?
Shh. You did it.
Bro, I want to do it. I want a big TVS robe.
What? I am in a plane, airplane.
Airplane playground.
I am in auto driving.
Yeah. Oh my god. I got a boba.
I got the ball. See.
I got a basketball. So you gonna go play the basketball after this, bro?
I got the ball.
What? Bro, which ball? You mean the football or the basketball, bro?
I mean the football. What do you
football.
think? Yeah, soccer balls.
Soccer balls. I thought you mean the basketball.
Yeah,
big tornado!
I am. where?
Oh! Win! Paborin tornado, bro!
I'm in right.
I go nah. Why that bigger than the El Reno, bro? Why that bigger than the El Reno, bro? I swear that's bigger than the El Reno. That's bigger. I'm not telling you the truth. That is so small or big, I don't know. But that wall tower is small, but I don't know what the tornado is probably big. I'm not gonna over it.
I'm in deploying, guys. Light probe, missile probe, umbrella probe.
You're not gonna make any money off what is called umbrella. When it's a green TVS, the umbrella probe is worthless. Big core upper.
No, we are missing the tornado.
Why you not deploy, bro? Look, I don't miss the tornado, bro. It's going right. Oh my god, you missed the tornado. Super big, bro. Why is the tornado big when it's fun? But not big when I intercepted. Super small, bro. Super small, bro. 100.
What?
Bro.
100?
Let's go.
100 girls? Goose girls.
I flew.
Bro!
Oh my god, I'm built different, bro. I'm built different.
You made that I crash on you. No, I am flying. Oh. Save. I saved it. Oh. Hannah. My core is cooked.
Give me my probes, bro. Give me my probes. 100.
Stop.
Peter.
Sorry guys, that service is sus.
My eye, bro. My eye, bro. My eye. I hit my eye with my own thumb, bro. With my own thumb, bro.
Stuff. What the
Tornadoes.
What the tornadoes? Eating girls.
What the thing is, bro?
Let's go join the tornado.
Where the tornado go? Whoa!
Stop crash into me, bro.
You crash into my car, bro.
Bro.
You crash into my car. You crash into my bus. Baby, bro. Habibi, bro. Deploy, bro.
Stop. You're not cool. You're sus. I am flying.
I am clapping because I'm happy that I deploy in time, bro. Why is my anemometer shows more than 100, but my probe shows 93? I think my anemometer is kind of like AI.
Where's my car?
Yeah, you're not even on the ground.
I am on the ground. Look.
You're going the wrong way. You're going into the tornado. Yeah, I know you're going. It's a yellow TVS. It go up. It go up. It go. It went up. It went up. No, it went up. It went up. It's a better tornado now. It's a better. It's faster. More wind speed. I'm going over the bridge. I should not do that. Tornadoes rain. Yeah, bro. What am I doing? What is my stupid? Come on. Go to the freaking road, bro. Run the road. Oh God, bro, many dreams of this tornado. Oh God, boy, am I trying to fall away from the tornado as possible I can. Handbrake, umbrella probe, missile probe, and bigger probe. Broski deploy! Get down on the ground, bro. Yes! Let's go! Let's go, bro. 16! Why you say 16 when it's 50, bro? It's 50, why you wait on that, bro? Oh, now you go.
I'm flying, bro.
It's 100, bro. Why you fly? Why you go out the car so late, bro? Why you go out the car so late, bro?
I go out the car when you go up.
Yo, you go out the car when I go in the car.
No, I go out the car when you go out.
No, I go. You come into me when I
Balloons? Yes, balloons.
Bro, you come to me when
How do I have so many cars?
What? Because I'm good. I got many dollars because I'm good at the game. I play this game. Where is my? What? Hey, where are you going? Yeah, I'm gonna spawn a new one.
The bro's car is cooked.
Yeah, I think that's enough intercepts on that tornado. I think I'm gonna go to the next tornado. Oh my god, my car is so slow, I can't even get on the freaking road.
My car is so good and fast and very, very, very good.
Very, 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 very. We are driving on the wrong side of the road, bro. You're driving on the wrong side of the road. You're not even on the road, bro.
I will go and go to the tornado.
Why?
To get some more money.
I go back because I might intercept 101, bro. My Anamana said 130, bro. What do you mean 101, bro? My umbrella, bro, is not good, bro. No, bro. Faking, bro. You little faking, bro. Why you faking to me? The wind speed is 130. Why you show 101, bro? Oh my god, you go to the stand to get the siren on your video. Hiya! Oh yeah, recording. Pork. Good.
Bro, I don't get my umbrella probe.
Where you don't take your umbrella?
Mine.
9.
This guy is saying. This guy is singing. This guy is saying. This guy is saying. This guy is saying. Edward. This guy is saying Diddy. He is Diddy. He likes Diddy too much.
Yeah! I do not like Diddy, bro. I'm not a diddler, bro.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Hey yo. Hey bro is barking like a dog. He is a dog. No.
Everybody hit the ceiling.
Or They both sound like Freddy Fazbear. Om du tar mig. Kom.
Kommer du? What?
Little bro is trying to take my phone and my pen.
Nah! I'm not trying to do that, bro.
Little bro is trying. Oh yeah.
I'm not trying to take it, bro. I'm not trying to take it. I'm not even touching it. I haven't touched it ever.
Hey, my computer. What the heck? Libro is getting yo services.
When I get nasty, I laugh.
What the?
Like baby, what you trying? Go, why go? My dear.
I'm sure. Libro go like a gorilla. Yo.
From APAC.
What the? Libro is watching me.
I go like the gorilla from King Kong, the little monkey. Bro.
Libro is watching me. Hey, yo. Libro is watching me, guys. Libro is watching me. What is Libro doing? Yes, Monika too, guys, yeah. Libro is going to the toilet and do something. I don't know, really. And I don't want to know. Libro is trying to be sus right now. Yeah. Oh hell no. I can hear Libro in the toilet. He's yeah. And now he's singing. Oh my god, Libro. Stop! Thank you. Stop! Oh, Libro. Little bro is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Little bro is
Oh,
missing
can
me.
hide dynamite.
Oh my god. Little bro.
Erika.
Oh my god, little bro.
Best song ever made, bro.
What the heck? Guys, bro. Little bro, you know they hear you. They hear you. They hear you singing that. Håll samma latanga. What? Yo! Stop touching.
I know that's the smash.
You are Didi.
No, you did it, bro.
You touch
No,
elder
you touch my
people.
bros. No, you touch my bros.
What the f? I am not touch
Don't
balls.
swear, don't swear.
Don't touch my balls then.
I did not touch your balls anywhere. I didn't do that. Please report this channel if you think that we should be banned.
What the heck?
But we should not be banned, bro. Because we are very, very good channel. Very, very good.
Yeah. Better than... better than... Yeah, I don't know.
If you would have said SGTV, you're everyone gonna be disrespectful, bro. Then you're being disrespectful, bro.
What is the bro was
Bro had
saying?
us active and didn't have us bored in like 2020, bro. If they weren't a thing, we were just.
Oh my god, now he is in sleeping mode again. Oh my god. What the heck? Guys, this is how he sound when he sleep. This is what he sound when he sleep. Oh my god, not his dream again. Bro, that is really his dream.
Oh, Scandine.
Oh, Hemna, you know they hear you. You little... Yeah.
Little what?
They know that music, so you know.
Oh, Scandine.
Stop! It's not fun
Min
music.
kropp, bro. Ja, stopp min kropp, bro.
Libro is saying
Stop, bro.
stop his body. What stop? Stop my hand in his body? Hey, yo, hell no.
Stop my body, bro.
Stuff the...
What?
Yeah,
body,
stuff
bro.
my
Hide the
body.
brody.
Stuff
Hide the brody.
my body. Libro is saying stuff my body. What the
I
heck?
said hide the body.
Oh my god, Libro is... Libro is...
Oh,
I don't know what. Libro just fought that.
No.
Let's go. Now Libro is eating something, I don't know. He is eating his
I'm eating the sushi, bro.
stuff.
I'm eating the sushi, bro.
Where's the sushi then?
It's right here, bro. What are you talking about?
I don't
What
see.
do you mean you're not? What? Oh yeah. Oh right. We're on the computer, bro. I said we on the phone. You hear me right now, bro? I eating the sushi, bro.
What? Libro is speaking Swedish right now. He's saying he eating sushi from 1500.
Oh.
Sushi from 1500.
Oh.
Oh! Damn, that was a clean. Oh my god, Libro is trying to clap some girls.
What? No, I did not try to do that. He tried to do that on me, bro.
What the heck?
I not do that. You do that, bro.
We should
Hey,
not.
don't do that, bro.
Hey
I know
guys,
that's
we
good,
should
bro.
not get banned.
I don't do that, bro.
What are you saying?
I not do that, bro.
Dutta?
I do
Tutta?
not. No. I said you. I do not do that.
Tutta? Tutta? Oh, Tutta from Brazil.
Exactly, bro.
You are saying Tutta from Brazil.
Exactly, bro.
I thought you saying
What do you think,
tits.
bro? Oh my god, we gonna get banned, bro. Or definitely we gonna get banned.
Getting banned?
Yeah, we're getting banned.
Kaisenet though. Kaisenet. He is saying. Oh
Yeah,
my-
because he has permission and his videos are from like 18 plus.
I should speak. Kids are watching him. And he's saying.
Hey, tornado.
Oh! I am.
Hey, put the tornado down. Put the tornado.
What is this? What the fuck?
I don't say that, bro. Hey, I'm like big family, bro. We family the friendly, bro. I'm friendly.
It's yellow.
Yellow TV, bro. I'm coming right now, bro. Pink. Pink.
How? It's blue.
Pink.
How it's blue?
Pink TV, you stupid.
It looks like blue.
Stay balance. I'm gonna sing the TV, bro. If you don't listen to me. It's
No,
brain,
stop.
bro.
Stop. I don't want to hear Tung Tung Sour Song Brain Rot. It's 2026.
But I didn't say that tung sound, bro. I said that. Oh, that's right.
Oh, hell nah.
So don't make me angry, bro. Really higher.
We're gonna
really,
be banned,
high.
little bro.
Whoa!
Oh my god. What is little bro saying? We're gonna be banned for sure. Oh my god.
Oh, it's an even bigger tornado behind you, bro.
It's red. Red.
Bro, it's a bigger tornado. Holy freak! Pink.
It's pink. It's
Turn around. We're going for that tornado. That tornado is bigger and fatter.
But it look orange. It's orange around it.
And
Yeah.
we can go for the intercept later on that tornado. And that would yeah, we're both gonna go for that tornado. Bro, we're gonna go for the intercept on that tornado later because it's coming to the big map and it's literally on the edge of the whole map. It's like going off the map. I'm gonna drive into the barn, bro. Literally, I survived a tornado in the barn. Another tornado! It's another tornado! Look on the radar! Red!
Stop.
The red it is, bro!
What? This is even bigger, bro. Now, this is small now.
Bro!
Oh hell no. It look like we need to go a little bit forward.
Bro, go for pink TV and tornado's coming right toward us! Let's stop right here! Right here! It's coming right here, bro! We're gonna go here. Little back. No. Go. Put down the light bulb.
Do I have some battery?
What?
I need battery, bro.
Look at your car! Yeah, come here, bro. I got the charger. Come here.
Okay.
It's a broski. What is your car doing? Look at your car.
What?
Broski. Your car is gone.
How?
You died. You're oofed.
How do I die?
Guys,
What?
it's over 300. Limit is reached. I do not have a source that intercept this tornado.
Blah blah blah.
I think I'm gonna fly.
I think I am gonna go eat some
317!
chips and get
Guys, it's 317, guys.
free.
It's 317. 317. It's going down. It's going down. Still on 317, bro. Oh, I think I'm gonna fly. It's right on me, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna survive this tornado. I will also not even. Oh, what? Change my words. Bro, I survived the tornado, bro. Now the other tornado coming right to me, bro. Really, bro? I might be too.
Now I will deploy.
I survived 319.
Shield probe,
I almost cooked, bro.
an umbrella probe, light probe.
You can message. You can message. You can message.
How?
No, you're not gonna message. Yeah, I'm gonna drive right on the computer. I don't think you can survive this.
No, I don't survive. I am flying.
How much is it?
I don't know.
384! I'm done. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go.
I don't think so.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Drive. I don't think I'm gonna survive that. Drive. No, I'm flying. That wind field is so strong, guys. That wind field is almost stronger than what is it called? When you press the toothpaste and it just explodes. It's actually. Oh, there goes my other storm mover. There goes my other storm mover. Oh, I'm right in the path of the tornado. Oh, I'm gone.
Oh hell no!
I'm
flying.
I'm gone.
Damn, little bro is flying. Where am I?
I don't know, but I flew in that tornado is literally more powerful. There's something wrong with that tornado. And not even storm even can survive that tornado. I do not know what that tornado is. That tornado is stronger than the toothpaste explode when you press it. And that's for sure. And I crashed. That's for sure. And he's gone. And I literally tried to drive away. But I should have just deployed. I don't know why. I should have deployed when I'm right there, bro. I'm not ready to see the results of how strong this tornado was. Let's see, guys. Okay, here are all my pros. Let's see what the results are. Hey guys, results are 437. My pro shows 437. That means it's.
I will go to the tornado in the right of the map.
So you know, my storm will just flew right to the tornado while I'm like out of the range, and I just flew. It's just pew, pew. Tornado. I'm gonna go after the tornado. I need that. I need to get that money, bro. Money up. Get your money up, bro. I need my money to get the what is called the on wheels, bro. I'm gonna fly. Come on, Stormweaver. Drive. You can survive. You can survive. Oh, here we go. Drive.
Damn, what you are talking.
You can make it. Here we go. Hurry up. I gotta go. I'm going to safe zone. I'm gonna go where the houses are. So I don't find them. Go. Please save me, guard.
Yeah, I missed the tornado.
Yeah, I'm not gonna miss that tornado. Go. I'm gonna look at my camera, bro.
Bro.
My probe flew. My probe is gone, bro. No, it's not. Let's go.
And yeah, guys, this is for today. And
oh my god, I flew on fire.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
And I'm off the map.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye,
See ya.
guys. I hope you guys have some fun.
Please play this game.
And like and subscribe.
Please play this game.
And like and subscribe. And like and subscribe.